Ayden from Cartoon Network. Today I'll be sharing with you some of my game tips for the game We Bear Bears Match 3 Repairs. Without further ado, let's get started. My first tip is to try to finish each level in as little moves as possible. Cause the more moves you have at the end, the more bonus bombs you can get and the more money you can make. Yay! We won the level! Bomb rampage again! Lots of money coming, I'm rich! Yay! Complete levels to collect stars. Now that we have money and stars, we can help the bears repair their home. Let's fix the antenna. Oh, we have to wait. So, here's the tip, guys. If you need to wait 30, 20 or 10 minutes, just play another round until everything is okay. Whoa! Next mission. Let's decorate the storage shed. Rose, blue, or red? I think I will go for blue because I like blue and there's a lot of flowers growing up and down. Let's go!
Wow!
Fana is doing his little victory dance again. Complete all the tasks on the list to get a thank you gift from the bears. Do you like prizes? I do! And so what do we get? We get 1,000 bucks and 1 crab rule. Bonus tip, if you are so close to clearing a level but need a few more moves, use money to buy 5 extra moves. If you don't have enough lives, you can buy some more, but make sure you have enough money. I am going to buy 5 more lives. Wow. Now, I'm gonna start the level and play. Carrot. Explosion. Green pumpkin. Taco bomb. Go. Tomato bomb. Burger bomb. That was my game tip for the game We Bear Bears Match 3 Repairs. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe below. Thank you! We Bear Bears Match 3 Repairs is available for download now.